Welcome guys, let's continue with web basic. So I'll teach you how to search for a topic. So as I showed you in the previous video, this is the Google Chrome shortcut. You click on that, the web page or the browser opens. What is the topic you want to type, like a search, you can type it here. So if you want to search basic components of computer, you type and it opens. So once it downloads, you will get a information like this. So if you click on this information, it goes to that page. It goes to that page. And once that goes to that page, you will have informations like this. So you go to settings. So you have print settings here. You click on that and you can click on printers. Okay, from here you can select your printer and print the information which is needed. So now we have covered searching and printing of the information which is needed by you. So what are the HTML requirements? So first thing, we should have an editor so that we can program, or we can save the information which is to be posted or published on the website. And second one is the browser for viewing the information which is there on the website. So two important things. One is the editor, the other one is the browser. Editor is nothing but the notepad and browser is nothing but Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, etc. So what are the advantages of HTML? So it makes the process of designing a web page more flexible. It can be easily modified. So how these are helpful, we'll go ahead and see in the future videos. And why do we need web page? So why do we need is because sharing information, sharing knowledge, displaying information, displaying pictures, business promotion, advertising. Now you can do shopping on the internet itself. Now you can do the banking activities on the internet. So they're all possible because of the web pages or websites. Now how do we create web pages? So we will try to understand the steps for it. Select a topic for web page. Plan the format of your web page. Collect information for the web page. Divide the information into subtopics. Decide the layout of the web page. Type the text in the text editor. Text editor is nothing but Notepad or Edit Plus. So many other text editors are there. Save the text editor as .html or .htm. So I'll show you how to do that now. So for example, you go to Notepad. Okay, so this notepad gets opened. Okay, so I'll put some information. Okay, so I'll try to put this information for you, like, so I'll say this. I'll open the tags. This is called the tag. This is called the opening tag of HTML. Okay, and this is again a tag which is the header. It tells it is the header. Basics, or we can say web basics. So if the header is closed, okay, we can put the title also here. If you want to, you can say this is the title. So if you want to say this is title, title, and you can close the title for this title. See, this is the information, this is the title. See, the tags which are opening tags will not have the backspace, closing tags will have the backspace. Okay, now again see, we have closed the title, we have to close the head, we have to close the HTML. We have to close the head and we have to close HTML. So this HTML is not case sensitive. So you can mention them HTML in upper cases or lower cases, it recognizes. So we will save it as, so we will save it on the desktop itself as, okay, web basic.html. Once it is saved on the desktop, okay, you can close this editor. Okay, so now we'll see where is the file. Okay, file is here. So when you open it, it automatically opens. Okay, so like this. So you get to know this like this. Like, see, there is a web page which is open. There is no information on this web page. Okay, so but still it is trying to connect. You can post informations on this. Next about this is like, so you can add, create images, you can add hyperlinks, you can publish this web page on the website. So we have different ways in which you can put the layout. One way is called the spider layout, the other one is hierarchical layout, the other one is the linear layout, and the last one is the combination, or the fourth one is the combination of the layout. Creating an HTML document, saving an HTML document, displaying an HTML document, I just showed you now. Like open Notepad, put your codes, save it as .html or .htm, then it will be saved in one place. Okay, as we saved it on the desktop, you can double click and open, the web page opens for you. Okay, next, what are the main elements? The main elements are like titles, as I showed you. It is having text, paragraph, images, links, etc. Okay, the three main parts are like, the main structure is like HTML. This is the opening tag of HTML. This is the closing tag of HTML. So this is the headers tag and this is the body tag. HTML, what is HTML tag? A tag is a label or identification for an object. Okay, opening tag indicates the starting point and closing tag indicates the end point. HTML is not case sensitive, as I told you. You can type the HTML capital like this, or you can type the HTML small case like this. Thank you guys, you are all winners. So we will continue with HTML basics in my next video. Stay connected. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for my channel, click on the bell icon and give your valuable feedback so that I can improve my videos. Thank you guys.